Father's Day is right around the corner. Have you figured out what to get Dad yet? Instead of the usual gifts this year, why not try something totally different? How about a song made specially by you? And if we add a custom MV to that, I guarantee it will bring tears to his eyes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Create your AI song prompt. First, you need an idea for the song. Just use my prompt to ask ChatGPT for some creative concepts. I've linked it in the description below. Pick the theme you like best, then ask it to flesh out the details, like the genre, the story, and the lyrics. Once you're happy, just copy that text. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't already have it, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 3. Generate the music. Once you open the software, click on AI Music to officially start our creation. Here, you can choose between song or instrumental, depending on what your project needs. Select Song, and you'll see two modes, Basic Mode and Reference Music Mode. In this video, I'm using Basic Mode and selecting the MiniMax Music 2.5 Plus model. Paste the prompts generated from GPT here and customize the style, instruments, mood, or vocals to your liking. For the lyrics, there are also two options, Auto-Generate and Custom. If you're unsure which works better, try both and compare the results. The songs are completely free for commercial use, so you can publish them on any platform without any issues. Click Generate, wait a short while, and your song is ready.
Learning how to stand up tall, every scrape knee, every fall, you were there to catch them all. You were my first hero before I knew the
Personally,
word.
I prefer the version using the custom lyrics, so I'll be using this one for the rest of the demonstration. Step 4. Generate the music video. Since this is meant to be a gift, we should make it the best it can be. Let's go ahead and create an exclusive video for this song. First, you need to generate images. Paste the lyrics into ChatGPT, then enter this prompt. Based on these lyrics, write prompts for a 150-second Father's Day music video, up to 10 scenes. Give me one prompt for each scene for generate the image and the prompt that turn it into video. Then copy each scene's prompt, go to AI Image, and select Image Generate, Text to Image. Pick your preferred model. Here I'll choose Dream 5.0. Paste your prompts, select the resolution, aspect ratio, and number of outputs, then click Generate. If you want to keep the characters consistent, choose Set as a Reference, and continue generating the next image. Repeat this step for every line of your song. The fastest way to produce the MV is to go to the Edimakor web version. I've also linked the website in the description below. Use the AI MV feature, choose Narrative MV. Simply upload your audio, images, and prompts, and it will automatically generate the entire music video for you. Step 5. Editing and export your MV. Once you download the MV, you can continue editing in the Edimakor software. You can rearrange scenes, add new video clips, or even insert lyric subtitles. Once you export your video, don't forget to post it on social media. During the Father's Day campaign, use #Edimakor when posting to claim 60 free credits. The finished music video is up on my channel right now. Head over there after this to check it out. With Father's Day only a few days away, there's still time to make something unforgettable. Download HitPaw Edimakor and turn your cherished memories into a heartfelt song for your hero. Looking forward to seeing your masterpiece.